Stop. Breathe for a moment. You've been carrying too much, thinking you have to fix everything. God wants to speak to you right now. Rest. I am in control. Listen carefully, because the weight you feel on your shoulders was never meant to be carried alone. The stress, the fear, the pressure, God sees how tired your heart is. Matthew 11:28 says, "Come to me, all who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest." God is saying you don't have to solve it all. You don't have to understand every detail. You don't have to hold everything together. That's my job. He is working in the waiting. He is fighting battles you cannot see. He is arranging things you don't even know about yet. God says today, lay your worries down. Release the fear. Rest in my presence. I am in control, and I will not fail you. Take a deep breath. Feel the calm that comes when you trust Him fully. You are safe. You are held, and He is already making a way. If this message gave your heart peace, follow for more and share it with someone who needs the reminder that God is still in control. Jesus' message for you.